Stop kidding yourself if you think you can run a startup today like you did yesterday. AI didn't just come and add a new tool to the box, it smashed the box, burned the manual, and rewrote the whole playbook while you were busy doubting the next move. If you're stuck grinding old strategies, stuck waiting for some magic traction without admitting you're fighting yesterday's battle, that frustration, that gnawing feeling of falling behind, it's real, and it's your alarm. You're losing time, money, and relevance, while others are already 3 steps ahead, using AI to not just predict market moves, but to engineer them. Here's the brutal truth. Startups without AI today are the definition of slow death. You're not just competing with other founders. You're racing against algorithms that learn faster than any human, optimize faster than any consultant, and pivot in seconds while you're still brainstorming. And that's why so many promising projects die quietly, because founders refuse to admit they're no longer playing the same game. But there's a way out, and it's not what you think. Forget random AI hacks or throwing automated chatbots and calling it a day. The real shift is how AI demands a total rethink of strategy. Start making AI your co-founder, your strategist, your relentless data cruncher that never sleeps. Force it to do the boring, repetitive crap that steals your focus so you can perfect the real decisions only a human can make. Vision, culture, leadership. That means setting up systems where AI continuously tests ideas, builds models, predicts customer behavior, and spots trends you'd miss no matter how many coffee-fueled nights you pull. But more importantly, do not lean on AI blindly. Use it to challenge everything you think you know. Use AI as a mirror that constantly shatters your assumptions and forces you to pivot faster than ever. The founders who win now are not those who trust their gut. They're those who build a relentless feedback loop between gut and data. If your moves are driven only by experience or gut feeling, you're done. If you don't force AI into the heart of your decision-making process, you'll watch your startup become irrelevant. And here's the kicker. AI has turned startup strategy into a global battlefield. Your competitors might be halfway across the world, crunching data at speeds you can't match because they're using AI to hyper-localize offers, test price sensitivity, automate personalized marketing, and scale faster than humanly possible. Staying local, stuck in old networks, relying on old patterns, that's how you lose before you even start. So what exactly should you do? Stop treating AI as a side project or a flashy add-on. Build your entire strategy around it. Start with precision. Invest in the right AI tools that align with your model, your market, your customers. No generic junk. Then obsess over data pipelines. If your data is garbage, your AI is just a fancy calculator. Set up real-time data streams, integrate every point of customer interaction, and supercharge your analytics. Next, democratize AI inside your team. Everyone, not just the tech people, needs to understand how AI shapes decisions. If your leaders can't read AI outputs or don't push teams to adapt based on AI insights, your startup's future is already written. Now here's the part most miss. Use AI to amplify your unique edge, not replace it. Don't become a slave to algorithms. Become a master who uses AI to spot opportunities nobody else sees, to make smarter bets, to allocate capital more ruthlessly. Combine AI with brutal self-honesty about your strengths and weaknesses. It's not AI versus human. It's how fast you learn to own both sides. If you want to stay in the game, ask yourself this. Are you adapting at the speed AI demands? Or are you just making excuses because it's hard? Because the startups winning aren't working harder? They're thinking and acting smarter? They've stopped fearing AI and started using it like oxygen? They've cut the fluff, doubled down on strategy that moves the needle immediately, and erased the old startup checklist. Do this right now. Stop wasting time on old school hacks. Map out exactly where AI can crush pain points in your workflow and decision-making. Delegate that stuff to machines relentlessly. Focus your human energy on creating breakthroughs only a human mind can dream up. This is how you turn AI from an existential threat into your startup's secret weapon. If that feels overwhelming, good. It means you're alive. It means you still have what it takes to fight smart, because the only thing worse than the chaos AI brings is choosing to stay stuck in comfort and watching your dream die quietly. Get ruthless with your strategy, get hungry for the truth AI shows you, and make no mistake, this is the new fight. No room for slow movers. Either move fast and smart with AI at your side, or get out of the way. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.